What's up, everybody? We're back with another trade recap. Today we got break even on the day, and it looks like it might run. Let me kind of explain my bias coming into the day. I'll do that over here on NQ. So this is the 4-hour chart here. We are in a bullish uptrend, okay? And we have rebalanced earlier last week, and we had been moving down. We had lows, but I wanted to see I wanted to see a bullish trade here. And let me show you. This trade over here is the trade, by the way, and it's after it broke me even. It looks like it's going to play out, which is unfortunate, but that's just the game. That's just the game you play. So anyway, coming into the day, I wanted to see, this is Friday's New York AM high, and I wanted to see price hold this 15-minute gap and then distribute, use this gap as manipulation and then continue higher to these highs here. We just kind of dumped off open. We held this 15-minute gap, but once we kind of started pushing really low, like down into here, and then got this and then this flip lower, I was okay for shorts to Asia and London low here because they're stack lows and we got a lot of low resistance liquidity down here built up. But then, okay, before that, on ES over here, I saw this SMT created at the 15-minute gap. We created this SMT, which was holding at the time like this with NQ. We created this SMT and pushed higher, and ES was the more bullish index. And so I almost got in right here on this candle closure on the 1 minute. This candle closure right here with stops down here at the SMT low, and I wanted to hold its internal high, and it would have hit full TP very quickly. But I wasn't quite confident enough because we had to work through all these bearish confluences first. All these bearish, like this bearish 5-minute gap here. However, then I was thinking, okay, I still want to see this high get hit, but I'll need a continuation first. So price comes up on ES. We come back down. Fill this gap fully, but then we reject strong off of it, okay? And so I'm like, okay, we're still in this uptrend. We've held this SMT. We're going to continue higher. NQ had just rejected 2 to the upside, and we're in this huge, bullish uptrend. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to take longs. So I get in at this strong 1 minute closure, stops here, and the reason, and I just wanted the internal high, which was just a 1-to-1. This is just a 1-to-1. But what my plan was and what I did is I was just going to trail pretty aggressively because of how big this stop is. So when we pushed up to here, and this 5-minute closed, I moved my stop to the 5-minute body, okay, and then price came down into this imbalance, or well, it just came down. Actually, it came down, created a new low, and then pushed higher. And after that, I trailed. Oh, hold on. After that, I trailed to that internal low there, right there. And then when after it came down and then had created this high here, after that I was like, okay, if it pushes back above this internal high, I'll just go break even fully. There's no reason for it to go back to this point if we're not going to flush through these highs. So after that I went break even, and then it came back down after it hit this break even point. It came back down and stopped me out for break even, and for good reason that I went break even on this trade, because it was really like, okay, we're going to stall this much and we're going to reject off of these internal highs like this, and break me even. There's probably not much chance of this playing out anymore, and that's what we're seeing right now. Thankfully, I made the right choice. But yeah, that's pretty much the day for me. I got break even. Chop slop is kind of what's going on now, so don't really want to be on the markets anymore, so I just locked myself out. So break even day for me, boys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.